and welcome to week 6. For week 6, the first thing you're going to do is wait for the comments on your draft. Those screencast comments should be available early in the week, but well ahead of the due date, which will be at the end of the week, Sunday at 11:55 p.m. You're going to move into your primary research analysis. So it might be a good thing to work on while you're waiting for the screencast comments on your draft. Don't forget to also look at your peer review comments. But what you're going to do is take that survey that you used for discussion forum number 4. And if you want to get additional responses, you can always post them on social media or send them to people via email or text. But what you're going to do is use the information from that survey to submit the primary research analysis, the first part. So what you're going to do is allow me to look over your methods. In your methods section, you're going to describe your participants' general age group, and just general demographics about who you submitted this survey to and what, who most likely responded. The instrumentation, so you're going to just describe that you used a 10-question survey with both an open-ended and closed-ended questions, and you'll attach that as Appendix A. And to attach that, I would just screenshot the survey, the survey questions. You can go to the preview mode and just do some screenshotting. Then the data collection explained when you collected the data. For example, the survey was created on X date and it was distributed to X class and friends and family via etc. Just general information. So this part of it, this part 1, is due this week. All right. So you also have a short PowerPoint that you can move through that gives you a little bit more information and some samples of things like the participants and the data collection tool, the data collection process, etc. And you have a sample primary research analysis. So you can walk through the methods and see how it's set up to talk about your participants. And these are called level 2 and level 3 headings for MLA format. So you're going to want to follow format for those, which means that the all caps information is the level 2 heading. And in some cases, like for methods, you would also have level 3 headings that would be part of that segment. So for methods, you have participants, instrumentation, data collection, and data analysis. And then for later, when you get to the next part, you're going to have results, limitations, and discussion. But that's for next week. And remember, again, this is all part of that, now that you've got this project number 2 almost done, you're adding what will be part of project number 3 as you bring this all together. So again, you have that literature review, which is project number 2. Now the way that you set up your own experiment through this survey, and then once we get to putting together project number 3, you'll see how these parts fit together nicely and help you put together this long research project, but in pieces as we've been doing this whole semester so far. If you have any questions, let me know.